Everdrone expands life-saving drone system to Denmark. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Everdrone is expanding its life-saving drone services to Denmark following its successful implementation within Sweden. Everdrone's emergency medical drones transport cardiac defibrillator equipment to the scene of cardiac emergencies. In the city of Aalborg, a hangar is currently in place with operations underway. We're proud and happy to have Everdrone's first project outside of Sweden fully operational, said Daniel Blecher, Everdrone's head of customer operations. This marks the 7th active system to date and will allow us to reach a total of 340,000 people in both Sweden and Denmark. 2 years ago, Everdrone began exploring potential locations in collaboration with the Copenhagen Emergency Medical Services. After deciding on Aalborg, the project was developed and finalized alongside Region Nordjylland in order to serve the region's 110,000 inhabitants. The last couple of years, the survival rate for cardiac arrest patients has increased in Denmark. But still, we see a huge potential to be even better, which is why we see it as important to try out new technology, to get facts on how drone deliveries can play its part, said Fredrik Folke, researcher and professor at Region Nordjylland. The Aalborg project will let us know whether the use of drones is a way forward on a bigger scale in Denmark. Is it an optimal technical solution? How many minutes before the ambulance can we deliver a defibrillator? These are a few of the questions we're looking to answer on a smaller scale, before deciding on whether we can scale up, said Louise Collender, anesthesiologist and researcher at Region Nordjylland. The establishment of the Aalborg hangar and the process of mobilizing the drone system has served as a useful lesson for Everdrone. It's taken a bit longer than anticipated to get it up and running, but overcoming the challenges of operating in a high-traffic airspace as well as establishing cooperation with the first emergency services and national aviation authorities outside of Sweden has taught us much, said Blecher. We've amassed tons of useful knowledge that will be extremely helpful when establishing new partnerships abroad. Exclusively showcased during a press event on June 22, the system received coverage from Danish national media. Read more commercial drone news on DroneLife.com.